The League Cup semi-final, first leg, and the first of 10 games in 32 days across 4 competitions for United. A daunting fixture programme, but the more games you play tends to mean the more successful you're being. Casemiro picks out Marcus Rashford, who's seen quite a lot of the ball in these early stages, is across halfway. Back comes Freuler, but Rashford's still going. It's a great run. Rashford, amazing, unstoppable, glorious. Marcus Rashford. Whether it's the league or the cup, he's the man. And now it's 3-on-3 for just a moment. Gibbs wide, Surridge!
Oh, hang on a minute.
Oh, is he off?
It's going to get looked at.
There you go, Michael Oliver signals, and all of those celebrations go to waste. De Gea comes and gets a real good punch on that. Great hit that as well from Gustavo Scarpa. He had a long time to think about it, and then Paul Scholes style smashed the volley and well pushed away by De Gea.
Yeah, one of the most difficult skills to master.
Good run this. Samiro, who's got support here, and that Anthony's well saved. The rebound smashed in. Outstanding. United have a second on the stroke of half-time and are in complete command of this tie. As we see Anthony played back to Eriksen. That was very nearly United at Wembley, I'll tell you, because 3-0, surely no way back. A lovely through ball to Pellistri. He's through here. Great tackle from Nico Williams. But United still have an opportunity here. Fernandes! One giant size 12 in the final. Manchester United in complete command. Job well done for Manchester United, who've surely got one foot in the final of the Carabao Cup. It's finished at the City Ground. Nottingham Forest 0, Manchester United 3.